If you're paying 5 million rupiah for a Bali driving license, you're getting ripped off, and here's the 2-day fix. Here's the problem. Tourist agents charge 20 times the real price. Go to Satpas Denpasar on Jalan Gunung Sanghyang at 8 a.m. with your passport and 150,000 rupiah cash. Skip the middleman completely and apply directly at the counter in 90 minutes total. Most foreigners in Bali in 2026 pay 3 to 5 million rupiah to tourist agencies for a driving license that costs 150,000 rupiah at the actual police station. A tourist from Australia walks into a semi-tour shop, hands over 4.5 million rupiah, and waits 2 weeks for a plastic card that takes 2 hours if you do it yourself. This is exactly why we built the Bali Lawyer, to help foreigners navigate Bali's real legal processes without the tourist tax. Most people fail here. They assume you need an Indonesian fixer, or that the police station won't deal with foreigners directly. That's completely false. Satpas Denpasar issues international driving permits to foreigners every single day. The process is in English. The forms are translated. You walk in, you pay 150,000 rupiah, you take a 20-question test on a tablet, and you walk out with your license in 90 minutes. Step 2. Arrive at Satpas Denpasar before 9 a.m. The office is at Jalan Gunung Sanghyang, about 15 minutes north of Sanur. Bring your passport, your home country driving license with an English translation if it's not already in English, one passport photo, and 150,000 rupiah in cash. Do not bring more cash because touts outside will ask for tips. The official government fee is 150,000 rupiah and nothing else. Step 3. At the counter, say you want a SIM Internasional, which is the international driving permit valid for tourists. This is important. There are 2 types. SIM A is for Indonesian residents. SIM Internasional is for foreigners on tourist visas. The officer will hand you a form, check your passport, and send you to the computer room for the test. The test is 20 multiple-choice questions in English. You need 16 correct to pass. Most people pass on the first try. Here's the problem. If you skip the eye test booth on the left side of the waiting room, your application gets rejected at the final counter, and you have to start over. The eye test takes 30 seconds. You read a chart. The officer stamps your form. Without that stamp, the cashier will not accept your payment and you lose your spot in line, which in peak season means another 2-hour wait. Once you pass the test, take your stamped form to the cashier window and pay exactly 150,000 rupiah. The cashier will print a receipt. Hold on to that receipt and sit in the waiting area. Within 20 minutes they'll call your name and hand you a laminated card with your photo, valid for 3 months. If you need it renewed after 3 months, you come back to the same office with the same documents and pay another 150,000 rupiah. No retest required for renewals. Or skip all this and let the Bali Lawyer handle it for you. We take your documents, submit everything at Satpas, and deliver the license to your villa in 2 days. At the counter, say this exact phrase, "Saya mau bikin SIM Internasional untuk turis." That's, I want to make an international driving permit for tourists. The officer will nod and hand you the form. You don't need to speak Indonesian beyond that one sentence. Go to Satpas Denpasar before 9 a.m. with passport and 150k rupiah. Ask for SIM Internasional, take the English test, do the eye test. The Bali Lawyer does it for you in 2 days, link below. If this saved you 4 million rupiah, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit the Bali Lawyer for help getting your Bali driving license without the tourist tax. Visit https://thebalilawyer.com.